For the PT3, this is my network diagram, which is have 3 router and 3 workstation, which is PC. So for the router 1, to connect to the router 2, I'm using a S0/0/0 with a S0/0/0. For the router 2 to the router 3, I'm use S0/0/1 with a S0/0/1. For the router 3 to the PCC, I'm using interface Z0/1. For the router 1 to the PCA, also uses G0/1, and the router 2 to the PCB using G0/1. For the this is area 1, area 0, area 2. Okay, for the addressing table, this is my addressing table. So first is router 1, router 2, router 3, with a PCA, PCB, and PCC. So interface for the router 1 is G0/1 with the IP address 10.1.1 10.113.23.22, where subnet mask is .224. For the serial interface 0/0/0 with the IP address 60.144.23.137. the subnet mask is .252. For the router G0/1 with the IP address 10.113.23.88, the subnet mask is 240. For the serial 0/0/0, the IP address is 60.144.23.38 with the subnet mask .252. For the serial interface S0/0/1, IP address is 13.23.23.21 with the subnet mask is .252. For the router 3 or R3 interface G0/1, its IP address is 10.113.23.66 and the subnet mask is .240. For the serial 0/0/1, IP address is 13.23.23.22 with the subnet mask 252. For the PCA, B, and C, I'm using a DHCP for IP address and subnet mask. So first, go to the router 1. Give command, give password JTMK, enable JTMK PMJ. Okay, so use command show run. Okay, so for the router 1, I'm set the hostname as R1 and enable password JTMK PMJ and IP DHCP pool PCA. The network is 10.113.23.0 with the subnet mask 255.255.255.224. The default route is 10.113.23.22. This is R1 interface G0/1 IP address. So no IP domain lookup, spanning tree mode PVST, and yeah, internet G0/0 is don't have because R1 is using a 0/1. So this is G0/1 with the IP address 10.113.23.22 .222 with the subnet mask .224, and the serial S00/0/0 with the IP address 60.144.23.137 with the subnet mask .252 with the clock rate 24000. So for the router OSPF1, router ID is 1.1.1.1 and log agency exchange, and network for area 0 is 60.144.2.3.0.0.0.0.3. This is router serial 0/0/0, and network 10.103.2.0/0/0.3.0.0.0.255 everyone. So banner MOTD, line console, password JTMK, login synchronous login, and line VTY 0.04 JTMK and 515 JTM password JTMK login. So go to the router too. JTMK enable, JTMK PMZ, show run. So hostname is R2, enable password JTMK, IP DHCP pool PCB. So the network is 10.113.23.80 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.240, and default route is 10.113.23.88. so no IP domain lookup, spanning tree mode PVST. So it's connect with G0/1, S0/0 and S0/1. So G0/1 with the IP address 10.113.23.88 with the subnet mask 240, the duplex auto, split auto, and the interface serial 0/0/0 with the IP address 60.144.23.29, and the subnet mask is 252, and the serial 0/0/1 its IP address is 13.23.23.21 with the subnet mask is 252 with the clock rate is 24000. The router OSPF1, router ID is 2.2.2.2 and log agency exchange, and network is 10.113.23.0 .0.0.0.255 area 0, and network 60.144.230 with the in 0.0.0.0.255 the area 0, and network 13.23.23.220 .3 0.0.0.3 is area 3. Banner MOTD, IP flow expert version 9, line console 0, password JTMK, login synchronize login, line VTY 04. So for the router 3, give a password enable DMQPMJ show run. Okay, so hostname router 3 and enable password is JTMKPMJ. For the IP, DHCP pool PCC is network 10.113.23.64 with the subnet mask 255.255.255.254 240. Default route is 10.113.23.66 to connect with the PCC. So no IP domain, spanning tree PVST, interface gigabit 0/1 with the IP address 10.113.26.66 with the subnet mask .240. In the serial 0/0/1, its IP address is 13.23.23.22 with the subnet mask 252. So for the router OSPF1, the router ID is 3.3.3.3.3 is logging agency chains, and network is 10.113.23.0 0.0.0.255 area 2, and network is 13.23.23.23.20 0.0.0.3 area 0. So the flow expert version 9 in banner MOT, the authorized access only. Line console 0, password JTMK and a login synchronized login. Line VTY 04, password JTMK login. So to see the DHCP, go to the PC desktop, PCA desktop static. So DHCP request is successful, so try to PCB desktop, doing the same thing. So DHCP is request is successful for the last PC desktop. So the DHCP request is successful, so go to the router and give command show IP protocols. So routing protocol is OSPF1, and router ID is 1.1.1.1, and routing networks and routing information source is gateway 1.1.1, and distance is 110. So show IP route. So 10.113.23.22/32 and /27 is gigabit internet 0/1, and 60.144.23.137/32 is serial 0/0/0. So go to show OSPF database. Interface. Okay, so use the command show IP OSPF interface. So gigabit 0/1 is up, line protocol is up, is its internet address is 10.113.23.22/24 is area 1, and router ID is 1.1.1.1. so give show IP OSPF database. So OSPF router with ID 1.1.1, process ID is 1. So link ID is 1.1.1.1, is AVD router is 1.1.1.1. Link ID is 10.113.23.0 with the summary net link state area AVD router 1.1.1.1. So go to the router 2 with command show IP protocols. So routing protocol is OSPF1. Router ID is 2.2.2.2.2. So routing for networks and have an area, routing information source, gateway 2.2.2.2 and 3.3.3.3. distance is 110. So give command show IP route. So I show IP route. So 10.113.23.8 is gigabit 0/0/1 is 13 is dot 23.23.21 is 0/0/1 60.144.23.129/32 is 0/0/0/0. So show IP OSPF interface. So gigabit internet 0/1 is up, line protocol is up, internet address is 10.113.23.88 area 0. In ID is 2.2.2.2. interface address is 10.113.23.88. So go to this router 3 and give command show IP protocols. So routing protocol is OSPF and the router ID is 3.3.3.3. routing networks area 2 and 0. routing information source gateway 2.2.2.2 and 3.3.3.3 with the 110. So show IP route. So 10.113.23.80 0/0/0/1 and show IP OSPF interface. So G0/1 up, line protocol is up, address is 10.113.23.66/24 area 2 with the router ID is 3.3.3.3.3. interface address is 10.113.23.66.